people. We're going to be making some carrot soup today. Carrot soup for weight loss and overall health. These are the ingredients presented before us, so let me introduce them gradually. I have approximately 12 medium-sized carrots in the pot, already cleaned and washed. Organic carrots. Water to boil my carrots. Olive oil. Olive oil is optional. Turmeric. A tablespoon of turmeric. A lot of ginger, guys. A lot of garlic. 1 spring onion chopped. Salt. Thyme. A cube of Maggi. Some chicken breasts. You can also leave this out if you are vegetarian. And 1 red medium-sized onion. The first thing is to parboil your carrots with approximately 2 cups of water. Cover the pot up and put it on the stove to parboil for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. See you later. Remove them from the pot. So cut your carrots into pieces and blend. So I'm cutting mine into the blender jar already. Guys, you can use a slicing board. That way it's safer. So I have a gigantic blender. That's why I can blend all my carrots at once. But if you have a smaller blender, do it twice. So we're going to be using 2 cups of water to blend our carrots. Look at the thick consistency. So we're going to check. Everything is well blended, smooth and thick. So keep this aside. The next step is to put your chicken breast in the pot. Add a little bit of water. Add your salt. Add your Maggi or vegetable bouillon. Add your thyme. Cover this up and boil for approximately 5 minutes. See you later. So guys, after boiling your chicken for 5 minutes, add your blended carrots. Cover this up. While this is boiling, blend your ginger, garlic, spring onion and onion. So I'm going to be using the same blender. I don't need to rinse. So here we have our garlic and spring onion. Our onion. And then our ginger. Chop everything and blend. Caution guys, get a slicing board. Do not try this at home. Blend with just enough water necessary to blend your spices, not much. Everything is well blended, guys. Put your blended spices into the pot. Rinse your blender with some water and add to the pot. At this stage, we're going to taste to see if everything is well balanced. Look at how creamy this looks. Guys, I wish you saw the actual color of this. Make sure you put enough ginger in your carrot soup, guys. That's what makes it even more healthy. The next thing to add is your turmeric. You could use powdered turmeric or fresh turmeric. In case you're using fresh turmeric, grind everything together with your ginger, garlic, onion, and spring onion. Taste at this stage to make sure that everything is well balanced. The next thing is to put approximately 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You could actually leave this out if you don't want it, but olive oil is actually healthy on its own. Normally from this stage, we won't boil past 10 minutes. Cover this up and let this boil again just for a bit. And then our carrot soup is ready. See you later. So guys, our carrot soup is ready. Serve and enjoy. Lose some weight and be healthy. Thank you for watching.